You searched how to buy shares of BioMerieux. BioMerieux is an in vitro diagnostics company listed on Euronext under the ticker BIM.PA. This clip is educational and not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and then add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BIM.PA to locate the BioMerieux listing. Then select the result that shows the Euronext market. On the stock page, review the basic company summary and the live price chart to confirm you have the correct BioMerieux equity listed as BIM.PA on Euronext. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled to execute when trading opens, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. Find the link to eToro in the description if you want to follow the same steps.